Hello, kings and queens. I'm Paula, the Shea Queen Favre, CEO and founder of Naturally For Me Shea Butter LLC. I currently reside in Seattle, Washington, but I'm from a small town called Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. I'm a mother, a grandmother. I'm number 13 of 14 kids. I'm also an Army veteran. I'm a speaker and an author. I'm a survivor of domestic violence, childhood and adult sexual trauma, and I also am a survivor of PTSD. I look forward to seeing you at the Black CEO Iconic Summit. And here I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what I'll be talking about. I'm going to talk about how I use my pain for gain, and how to overcome my pain for gain, and how you can too. My 3 key points will be how to overcome adversity, how to tap into your passion in order to find your purpose, and how to start over again at any age. Again, I look forward to seeing you at the Black CEO Iconic Summit, and you can also text PAULA and vote for me. That's PAULA, Paula, at 773-207-3400. That's PAULA, Paula, at 773-207-3400. I look forward to your vote, and I look forward to seeing my kings and queens at Black CEO Iconic 2021. Thank you, and have a blessed